Kapatisi TV.
Arngut kirangba kila yap Hashen kadba Uwei pat ulam saujur ha ka jingja aksiden ka bashirkai kabalaja ha ka janmit sngiu blai ka santarik urisau arajar apsan ha surok ba National Highway 6 ha ka shunang Umsaw Nongkharai Ribhoi District katkum ka jingte balay ulum laong bakani ka jingja kalaja ha ka porprab JEA janmit ha ka bakawai ka Trok thali kabadan yo registration number ML North San L Southline Rupra kabadang hier sya kathan nongpo kala ringko na siliang sa siliang surok but later ya kawai kakali bolero Sorkar kabadan yo registration number ML01 hinyo South Sansan katkum ka jingte balayo ulum laong baka kali Sorkar kabala syarat kadika kali jong katanat sports and youth affairs kabadang kiyo sya nongba shalong but hakni ka jingja kakali bolero kala praphum kat baka Trok kala kala khongpong hapadeng surok ki arngut kirangba ki balakhala no Hashen but Uwei pat ubala mensaujur kidai ki basyong hapo ka bolero Sorkar but yaka kerteng jongki omla satya bantem ki pulit jong ka nongpo traffic police tang siyo jingte bhalor kanik jingja kilalet mar ban yarap se yaka met jongki arngut kirangba but ban penkit yo uba mensaw sya jaka sumar yaw nongnya Trok larano de ki pulit sya thana nongpo but ka jing toket ka nangya chkhaman
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.
Pin real spark, ya kak tien la jong pin dam kam, ya kabakan kiyo kak tien kasi, kak tien la jong, I kan roy kan pa. Balay pi ong gate, habangi don la ka jong kak tien kasi, kerdok lani palor. Beli lani kang, ya katuka palor ni juya ong. Saka weipan kakten kasi kam juong ban ya kiw yaw up hinrangi kiw yaw tip tudayakan mau kendit ho lapan mi da kapati CTV nakabenta ka jingmentoy upat ba